Hi Manu.
Hi.
Let's continue our previous section. Exercise 12A, question number 35. Could you read the question for me?
A bus started from the terminus with X passengers. At the first stop, another X passengers got on and 3 got off. At the next stop, 8 passengers got on and there were 37 passengers. How many passengers were there on the bus to start with?
It's a continuous process. Once the bus gets started, so few passengers will get down and few passengers will get off, right?
Yeah.
So a bus started from the terminus with X passengers. So when the bus gets started from a stop, the number of passengers are X. Let's write number of passengers is equal to X.
Yeah.
At the first stop, another X passengers got on and 3 got off. See, always when somebody climbed into the bus, we will add. When somebody got off from the bus, we will subtract. Isn't it?
Yeah.
So then only we can get a particular value how many passengers are there in the bus. So next, so another X passengers are added, they got on, and how many passengers got off? 3 got off. So we need to put a minus here, 3 got off. Next, at the next stop, 8 passengers got on. See, it's a whole day process. So again 8 passengers got on. So let's add again 8 to it. Next, there were then 37 passengers. Finally, 37 passengers are there. So, could I make equal to it to the 37? Right?
Yeah.
How many passengers were there on the bus to start with? So, you need to find out the x value here. Okay. So, let's add the like terms. On the left hand side, x plus x gives you 2x. This is a negative 3 and a positive 8. So, what do we have to do? Is it addition or subtraction here?
Is it minus and plus? Will make minus?
Minus. So 8 minus 3 gives you 5 and the greater number sign follows. So here the greater number is 8. 8 is having a positive sign. So we'll get a positive result. 5 is equal to 37. We need to find out the x term. Keep it left side only and transpose the extra term 5 this side. 2x is equal to 37 minus 5. So 2x is equal to 32. X is equal to, here it is multiplication, isolate the x and bring it down this to this side, it's division. 32 over 2. X is equal to 2 ones are 2. 1 is the remainder, 12. 2 6 are 12.
Yeah.
So x is equal to 16. So the number of passengers they started the bus at the starting is 16 passengers. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's move to the question number 36. Packets of small screws cost expense each and packets of large screws cost twice as much. Let's write the statements for this. Packets of a small screws cost expense. So cost of small screw packets is equal to expense. Next. Each. And packets of a large screws cost twice as much. So cost of large screw packets twice as much. So twice means double this. So 2 expense. Next. Greg buys 3 packets of the small screws and 5 packets of the large screws, for which he pays 11 pounds 5 pence. Here they have a given pounds in pounds. So 11 pounds and 5 pence. Greg buys 3 packets of small screws, 3 small and 3 small packets and 5 large packets. 5 large. And he spent this much, 11 pounds 5 pence. Now question number A is find in terms of X the price of a packet of large screws. So we need to find out the large screws packet. So let's write the equation. 3 times of small screws we have taken it as a X and 5 large screw packets we have taken it as a 2 times of X. That is equal to total cost is 11 pounds 5 pence. So 3x plus 5 times 2 gives you 10x is equal to, this is in pounds and these are in the pence. So let's convert everything into smaller units and same units. So do you know 1 pound is equal to how many pence, Manu?
I think it was 100.
Yes. So 11 pounds means how many pence? 11 pounds.
1100.
1100 plus 0.5. 1100 plus 0.5. So it's nothing but 1105 pence.
Yeah.
Now add the like terms. This is also x term, this is also x term. 3x plus 10x gives you 13x, which is equal to 1105. Isolate the x, transpose the 13 this side. 1105 over 13. Okay. Now, so 13 table. How many times it goes? Yes. 13 eights are
13 it's
104, right?
yeah.
So let's take 13 eights are 104, and if 104 gone here, 65. So it's a 5 times 13 5 is 65. Okay, so x is equal to 85. What is the x we have taken above? X is nothing but a cost of small screw packets. Therefore, cost of small screw packet is equal to 85 pence.
Yeah.
Okay. This is what they asked. They asked us to find out large screws also. Cost of large screw packet is equal to twice of this, right? So
Yeah.
2 times of 85. 2 5 is 10, 2 8 is 16 plus 170. 170 pence. So how much does a packet of large screw cost? That's what. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Question. Question number 37. Could you read question number 37?
Jasmine has X pence and Michael has 6 pence less than Jasmine. Together they have 180 pence. How much does Jasmine have?
Jasmine has X pence and Michael has a 6 pence less than Jasmine. So let's write pence with question number 37. Number of pence with Jasmine is X pence. Okay. Oh, it's not pence. I'm sorry. Okay, Jasmine has X pens with her. And Michael has 6 pens. 6 pens less than the Jasmine. So what I have to write? 6 pens less than the Jasmine.
So x minus 6.
Very good. X minus 6 pens. Together they have 180 pens. Together means you need to add them. Whenever they have mentioned together, just add them. So x plus x minus 6 is equal to 180 pens.
Yeah.
How much does Jasmine have? So we need to find out the x for finding that how much Jasmine have. So let's add the, could you help me to solve this? Want to solve this?
I, minus 6 transpose to the after the equal sign, so be 2x
Okay,
equal
x
to
plus x, 2x minus 6 equal to 180. Okay,
you transport the minus 6, which will be plus 6, so 2x equal to 180 plus 6.
okay,
2x is equal to 186.
186.
It's multiplication, so it will be division, so x is equal to 186 over 2.
Okay,
Then x will be is equal to 93.
93. Very good. Smart calculation, Manu. Next. Yes, we're going to solve 38 question. The first angle measures x degrees, second angle is twice the first, third is 30 degrees, and the fourth is 90 degrees. Find the first angle. Let's continue this in the next session. Okay.